Don't be worried. Don't be spooked.
At traditional dealerships.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you interested in this beautiful vehicle?
Actually, I am.
I must inform you, we do not have vehicles that come with warranties.
What?
No, come back! Don't be frightened!
Go.
Hello there, ma'am. Are you interested in this gorgeous vehicle?
Yeah, I'm interested.
Are you familiar with our program? We help people with less than great credit or even no credit get into a nicer, newer vehicle at an affordable payment. And all of our vehicles come with a service warranty of 48 months, 48,000 miles at just a $50 deductible.
Okay, that's a great warranty you have.
Yes, it is. If you have any further questions, here's my business card.
Okay, thank you.
Have a wonderful day at Byrider.